Welcome to AWS for Product Teams. This video is an introduction to the course, explaining why it exists. Over 6 modules and 30 episodes, we cover one complete product journey, from the first line of code to the first production incident. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team.
Most AWS courses focus only on teaching services, leaving you with technical knowledge, but no blueprint for actually building a product. This course is different. We teach you how a real product team designs, builds, ships, and owns a product on AWS from scratch. As a PM, are you nodding along in technical discussions without full understanding? As a developer, do you lack shared standards and confidence in what you ship? These problems share a root cause: PM and engineering tracks running in parallel without intersection. This course is built to fix that. When product managers and developers build a shared mental model, not just shared tools, everything changes. Decisions are faster, trade-offs are clear, and products ship with confidence. After this course, PMs will ask better questions in architecture reviews and think in systems. Developers will build complete, production-grade systems on AWS with a full observability stack. Founders and solo operators will get a blueprint for building and running a product on AWS the right way from day one. The course is structured around 6 modules, representing one complete product journey. We move from foundation and architecture decisions to shipping, data layer, AI features, and finally, production ownership. Module 1 covers the foundation, the mental model that makes everything else work. This includes AWS account structure, IAM roles, cost allocation, and the organizational mental model for owning your infrastructure. Get this right, and every subsequent decision will have a solid foundation. Module 2 focuses on architecture decisions, specifically compute, storage, and APIs. You'll work through real trade-offs, choosing approaches suited to your product context. You'll also learn to document these choices in architecture decision records. Module 3, Start Shipping, turns theory into practice with CI/CD in under 10 minutes. You'll build a complete CI/CD pipeline, including source control, automated testing, continuous delivery, environment management, and feature flags. Feature flags are a PM superpower for confident, instant rollbacks and A/B tests. The data layer is Module 4, moving from raw events to product decisions. This module covers instrumentation, analytics, dashboards, and the feedback loop. You will learn to gather meaningful signals that drive real decisions, separating teams that guess from teams that know. Module 5 focuses on AI features, teaching you when to use it and when not to. You'll add real AI-powered features using Amazon Bedrock, Rekognition, and SageMaker. The most important thing you'll build is the judgment and framework for deciding if AI is the right answer. Module 6, Production Ownership, emphasizes that shipping is just the beginning. It covers observability, auto-scaling, security, and incident response, giving you the mindset and practices to keep your product stable and auditable beyond its first launch. Here's one thing you can use today. Stop treating your AWS account like a single shared workspace. Shared accounts lead to major problems like accidental deletions, unexplained cost spikes, and security misconfigurations. The fix is simple, free, and catastrophe preventing. Separate accounts per environment. Each environment should have its own AWS account, IAM boundaries, cost visibility, and blast radius. We cover setting this up in Module 1, Episode 1. The course is structured in 3 ways: 2 tracks for PMs and developers in every episode. Episodes are 12 to 20 minutes long, ending with a single key takeaway. Finally, the course is modular, so you can jump to the specific problem you're solving right now. Everything you need to follow along is linked in the video description. This includes direct links to every AWS service, downloadable architecture diagrams, architecture decision record templates, and all the code samples we use. This course is for the PM who wants to be a genuine technical partner, the developer ready to build end-to-end production-grade systems, and the builder who wants a blueprint to do things right from the start. By the end, you'll have built a complete, working, production-grade product on AWS. This includes layers for observability, account structure, IAM, CI/CD and storage, compute and API, data, and AI. The course is built on the mindset that architectural decisions are product decisions. Teams that understand this build better products faster than teams that don't. Subscribe for Module 1. Episode 1.1 sets up your team environment, covering account structure, IAM, and the organizational mental model. Module 1 starts now.